Hi Hoopers, here's a quick recap vid on intro to hoop dance. So we started hula hooping on the waist. You're either going forwards and back with your hips or feet side to side. If you're going forward and back, one foot is in front. You could play with switching. Notice which direction your hoop is turning. If it's going towards your left hand, your left hooper. If it's going towards your right hand, your right hooper. We played with reversals, so turning into the hoop to switch. So if your hoop is going to the right, you'd use your right hand on the outside of the hoop, following it around. Turn into it and switch. Turn into it and switch. Turning with the hoop, so turning same direction the hoop is going. Taking little baby steps. Keeping that forward, backwards motion with the hips. Reverse. Turning the opposite way. From there we went into horizontal hand hooping, passing thumb to thumb in front, palm down, pinkies closest together in the back, thumb to thumb in front, palm down, pinkies together in the back. Using your torso as a reversing device, one side, other side, either going forwards or backwards. Passing the hoop underneath your legs, one leg up, thumb to thumb underneath. Alternating legs, reversing, trying it the other side. From there we took the hoop up into halo. In halo you want to make sure your thumb is nice and flexed. You can switch hands, putting your hands together. Nice tight palms. Switch. Few ways to get the hoop up into halo. One is to put the hoop on the back of your hand, above your thumb, turning, raising a straight arm, rocking your hand back and forth. Another way is to have your palm down, and you're going to put the thumb into the hoop, bringing the arm across the body, thumb into the hoop, around the thumb, fingers point up. So that one's a thumb switch. Hands together. Fun thing you can do here is play with extending your arm out and going low and bringing the hoop back up. We also went into, so here you also want to make sure the hoop is going the same direction, usually waist hoop, or just giving it a squeeze, switching directions, and getting used to going both directions. Next we went into our revolving door. So you want to pass around your waist. If you're passing to the left, you'd have the hoop in your right hand, left leg in, step behind, right leg out. If you're passing to the right, left arm, right leg in, step behind, left leg out, and pass. Right arm, left leg in, right leg out, bring it around the thumb and up above the head. So you can get into it from halo. It's in your right hand, going to the left, you bring it down to your right side, in front, left leg in, right leg out, around the thumb and up. If you're going to the right, it would be in your left hand, out to the left side, palm facing forward, right leg in, left leg out, around the thumb, and up. From there, we did our pickup from the front. So if you're hula hooping to the right, you'd have your right hand on your left side with your palm up. Instead of letting the hoop hit your hip, you would let your hand come down. Hoop goes in here as you turn, keeping your thumb straight up, around your thumb, into your hand. Bringing the hoop back onto the body. You're looking for the hole in front. You're going to start turning with the hoop, lowering the hoop down onto the body, and pushing off. If your hoop is going to the left, left hand on the right side, thumb up. Instead of letting it hit your right hip, you're bringing your hand down. Let the hoop slide into here, turning, thumb stays up, around the thumb, into your hand. Same thing, looking for the hole of the hoop to bring it down. When the hole of the hoop is in front, turn with it, lower it down. You can kind of grip the hoop a little bit and bring it onto the waist. So you can bring it down with both arms as well. So you can either put it down with the right or the left, same thing. We had our vertical hand hooping, forwards, fingers nice and parallel to the ground, squeeze to switch directions, putting hands together, you can turn your body, squeeze, forward weave, bringing the hoop across your body, switching hands. So for the weave, palm is up, gripping the hoop, thumb comes forward, arm comes across your body, and then back. To switch hands, free hand, palm up, put the hoop into that hand, back to that side, and back into your weave. Switching hands, palm up, into that hand, back to that side first, then across. From here you can go into your skip jump, bringing the hoop in front like a skipping rope, jumping through and passing. If your hoop is going to the left, you would then angle down with your right hand to go back into a weave. Or if you're passing to the right, you would then angle down with your left hand on the right side and go back into your weave to create a little circuit. So now you can go ahead and add a few moves together, passing around the waist, revolving door, opposite hand, opposite leg, bring it above the head, floating the hoop down onto the body, picking up from the front, switching hands, revolving door, passing, going back into your weave, skip jump, and all types of goodies. Have fun! So we also went into our escalator. Hoop is on the right side, right foot comes in the front of the hoop and around the back. Bring your right arm back, shooting the hoop forwards, left leg comes up, hoop flips around the body, around the thumb, and into halo. Again, hoop on the right side, right foot in the front and around the back. Right arm comes back, shooting forward, left leg lifts up, around the body, around the thumb, into halo. So you can also do that on the left side. More advanced is you're actually shooting the hoop forward, letting go, catching it with palm out at the side of your head. Back, let go, and catch. From here you can go into your jump in from halo, so left hoopers, right hoopers, it's going to be in your left hand, bringing the hoop out to the left side, palm up, jumping in, left foot, right foot, turning, raising your left arm up. So again, right hoopers, left arm, left foot, right foot, keep turning and bringing the hoop up, making sure your left hand stays on the left side. Left hoopers, it should be in your right hand, bringing the hoop out to the right side, palm up, right foot, left foot, turn, 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 and bringing the hoop up above the head. Palm up, right foot, left foot, then turn, keeping the hoop nice and horizontal. Have fun!